Temp-tations. Temp-tations is that wonderful, what is it, the best-selling line of ceramics here at QVC. All right, Tara Tescher is the creator and founder, and she brings us this incredible line that we love. But she also likes decorating, and she's got this great line for Temp-tations. It's the 16-inch resin figural spring wreath. Do you see that over a eucalyptus? How about just hanging on that little clip right there? Well, this is on a clearance price of $44.96, and Jesse's got it on our little door right here. This is resin. There is no reorder on this, and guess what? You're saving over $28. This is on a clearance price of $44.96 for easy pays of $11.24. So it only comes in this gorgeous color right here, which is Egg Hunt. So let me give you the measurements. It's 15-inch by 16-inch by 1 1/4, and it weighs about a little under 4 pounds. Now, the great thing about this is that it is resin, so that you will see so much detail. Honestly, when you look at this, it almost looks like it's carved wood. And look at these cute little bunnies and the cute little nose and all these great little Easter eggs around this. Now, it also comes with this great ribbon on top, so it makes it nice and easy to hang from. But you know what? I'm gonna take this down because I want to show you a little bit of the detail on this and also show you the size. All right, there's different ways to use this. Let me just kind of come over here if you don't mind. So having something like this, not only can you put this on your front door, but here is a mantle. We're going to do a little decorating. Look at how cute this is. All right, it comes with that ribbon. There's the backing right there. And imagine this over a mirror, over your mantle. It just kind of brings in that Easter and spring mood right there. And then let me show you a different way to decorate with this. If you have this on a table, like I have over here, it's that perfect center that you could put maybe some of those Easter candles that we were kind of showing you with, and it gives you that great little tablescape. Maybe you've got that Easter, you know, dinner that you've got with your family and your friends, and you want something in the middle. Oh, maybe we've got little plants there. Okay, maybe some candles. Oh, thank you, Jesse. So, oh, this is really nice. How perfect is this? Great idea, Jesse. You know, this is the kind of thing, like I remember my ex-boyfriend, their family like loved decorating for Easter. And they decorated from top to bottom, all these cute little things. And look at that table. And look at those little candles as well. And that one is really great. She put it over eucalyptus wreath. So it kind of like transforms that eucalyptus wreath. Maybe you have some wreath right now, but to be able to kind of like layer that up, you're kind of welcoming everybody. Yeah, that one is so gorgeous. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. You're kind of welcoming everybody to your house and saying, hey, I've got the cool house that's all decorated and ready for Easter. The other thing about this, and I thought that was really clever, was that there is 4 Easter bunnies on this. So I think like Monifa had a great idea. She said, how about putting like a clock in the inside, and then you will see that it has the 12, the 3, the 6, and the 9. I thought that was super, super cute as well. So whether it's on a mirror, maybe on the window, on the inside, use it almost like as a clock, put it on that wreath or in just like that front door. It's on a clearance price of $44.96. You're saving over $28 on this. And if you love Temp-tations as much as we all do, then you know that Tara Tescher has great taste in decor as well. All right, it also comes with that satin ribbon. I'm going to show you that back because it also gives you a little bit of ways to be able to hang this. It's so, so cute. It's made with resin, so it's super sturdy, And it's so cute, and it kind of matches my little sweater right there from Joan Rivers. All right, so Temp-tations 16-inch resin Figural spring wreath. Clearance price at $44.96. You're saving a little over $28 on this.